Okay, guys, so to get a good grade on your lab report and also like a cool skill to have is to have a graphic representation of your data. So I'm going to show you how to turn a cool table into like a super cool graph because data is beautiful. Sometimes it's hard to tease apart numbers. That's the whole point of graphs. But you're not going to do it. Make Google do it. So here is your lab report. I'm going to scroll down here and notice that like for part of it, that's where your group names go. And then for part of it, you need to record your data in a graph. This is all Latin gibberish, so you need to replace that Latin gibberish. I went ahead and made like a dummy copy here. So let's say my lab, I was like measuring how long it took to fill up a 5 mils cup, how long it took to fill up a 10 mil cup, and how long it took to fill up a 15 mil cup. And I had like a control soil and an experimental soil. I don't know what y'all are going to do for control and experimental. Your group will fill that out. So it looks like the control soil took like 10 seconds to fill up the cup, but the experimental soil only took 2. So there you go. So I just fill in my data as I get my results. Maybe I'm timing as it fills up the cup. I don't know. You'll design the experiment. When you have your data, and if you've set it up correctly, and notice there's like no words in here, there's only numbers in here, and I've like labeled my axes. Once you set up your data, copy it, that data table, Control C, go to Google Sheets. You have that waiting for you on the drive. Edit, paste, or Control V. And now let me highlight this table. I got this extra row right here. I'm going to highlight this table because that's the only part that I need. And then boop, 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 over here, insert chart. And now like Google's gonna do it for me. Awesome. Well, that's a bar graph. I think I want a line graph. Like a bar graph would be good if I'm like comparing different things. So if I'm like the amount of carbon monoxide made per like car company, I think I want a line graph because this is over this is for 5 mils, 10 mils, 15 mils. This is at a set interval. So let me go over to column. I don't want a pie chart because that's percentage. I don't want a column. I want a line chart. Boop. There you go. I got it. And then let me move myself out of the way. If I don't like that color, I just click on the line and like I choose that color. Cool. If I don't like that title, I just click on it and I can like mess with the title and the fonts and stuff like that. So do with it whatever you need to. And then when I'm ready, I can just move myself out of the way. I can just copy the chart. And now I can go back in and I can paste my chart in the results, turn my graph into results. So let me just like paste it right here. Control V. Do I want it linked? Sure, that's a good idea. And there you go. Google did it for you. I don't have the axis that y-axis labeled, so I need to change that. But that's how you do it. If you need help with me, watch this video again and then shoot me a remind and we can talk about it. But that's how you insert a graph. So I hope you guys enjoyed that sweet tutorial. Have fun with it and practice that skill. Bye.